Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Wig Wednesday, and I will be reviewing this oldie but goodie. It's called Agatha from the Janet collection, and it's a half wig. I have it in the color 1B30. And I've had this for quite a while. So I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to rejuvenate this haggard looking wig. See, it's looking kind of ratty. Okay, so I'll show you what I'm going to use. I'm going to use some of this Got to Be Kinkier curling mousse. You can use any kind of curling mousse. It don't have to be this brand. But if it comes out in a foam, and you can use it. So I'm going to shake it up good. It's going to come out in a white foam. Look at that. I don't want this to fall on me. And you just massage it in. Look at that. Look like this wig is getting a perm. Just massage it in, rejuvenate. And this is synthetic hair. So this is fibers. So if you try to use like a regular conditioner that's for your hair, that ain't gonna work because this ain't real hair. It's just like fibers that be in a sweater. Let me put some on this side. My hand is slick. That's what I went in there for, to get a paper towel. Just put it all on there and it will dry and you won't see all this foam. This wig is old. It's been in this plastic. So it kind of smells like plastic. You know how new dolls smell at Christmas time? They got that plastic smell. Okay, my hand is too slick to spray this. Okay, hope that's enough. Like I said, this is a half wig, so I'll be wearing it halfway my head, and then I'll put on a headband to cover up this weft. And I ain't worried about the nape. The nape of synthetic long hair, it gets kind of nappy, but I ain't worried about it because it ain't showing. Look at that, y'all. So let's put it on. Oh, let me give you the specifics of the wig. Okay, it has a real long comb that goes across my head right here. And you could pull it up closer and pull some of your own hair out, like this girl on the picture. She got her own hair. That's her leave out. And on this picture back here, she got her hair pulled back. Okay. It's on the floor. Oh, it has a airy wig cap so your head won't get hot. It has a comb at the top and a comb at the bottom with the tag. 2 adjustable straps. Now see them? Where they at? Oh, this one came loose. Okay, there's one and here's one on that side. So let me hook this. Okay, and I'm gonna measure. So I forgot how long it was. And I have done a review on this before. I had to buy a whole new tape measure, y'all. I had loaned my granddaughter my tape measure, and I still ain't got it back. So I had to buy a whole new one. So I'm measuring at this last weft. So it's 16 inches long without me pulling the hair out, without me stretching it out. So now I can put it on. I got my own hair. That's right. Just comb back and braid it in one braid. And I'm tucking this braid under. Okay. I don't be doing on cornrows and things. My arms get tired. I ain't doing that. And it ain't necessary. Put it right there. Stretch this wig. Now I'm attaching this bottom comb up under my tucked under braid. Now I'm going to use my long bobby pins to secure the wig. Now if I had a full cap wig or a lace front, I would use my wig grip. But these bobby pins work fine. Put a pin at each ear. Pull the wig close to my ear first, like that. And then bobby pin it. And to make sure the back of this long bobby pin ain't sticking out. Okay, that's good. Now, I'll pull up this headband. It's easier to put the headband on first around my neck than to put it on after my wig is already on. Let me pick up this card. Ugh. Okay. It says quick and easy wig in just 3-second styling. And I forgot where I bought this wig from. It might have been Amazon, but I'm not sure. Ain't that cute, y'all? It would look better if my silver hair wasn't showing through. But that's good. Nice and full, wavy hair. Okay, I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to turn around. Okay, wait a minute. That's how it looks all to the front. Well, it ain't all to the front. Okay. Right side. Back. And the left side. Y'all see. Okay. So I think it's a cute, quick do. And the hair is very, very lightweight. And I think I did a good job rejuvenating this hair. So it got some more life into it. They all dry and haggard looking. So, let me do my thumbnail pick right now. What did I pay for this? $21.99. And I don't know what year I bought this or where I bought it. And the name is AGATHA from the Janet collection. Let me turn the way she turned. She turned kind of to the side. Right on the picture. Okay. All right, if you like this wig review, please give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay? Because most of the people that watch me, y'all not even subscribed. Please get on something where you can subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it. And of course, don't forget the thumbs up. Okay. You all stay in, stay safe. and stay blessed. Okay, bye.